Bor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but shispa % ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Sorkar Miklia kalarai ban Ktah setia ya ka daulen nong Lumpongdeng bat kala pentip ru bahkan sa Pynbeit Biang ya ka Soskular balai soi bat ka Umyam Hotel Private Limited Touch Resort and Spa hadien bakala mi ka jing persya ka bajur ya kani karai la pentip dauno ai kdien jo ka Sorkar MDA uba wailat miki shila ubulong ru menteri ka Sorkar jila ha ka arpo tre uyayong arja pandrio hadien balawai ka jing yalang bala penya dau sembut menteri rangba uba prestun tensong ha ka jing akendo ikino yalam jong ka senjuk kirang ba snong kari boy district ya ka City bala Pynthikna yakni karai jong ka Sorkar la pharu da ka Joint Secretary jong ka Tourism ka kong CS Khongwer Sha Chairman jong ka Green Tech Foundation uba H ban siudon nonglang ubala sha jing et klemput sngi mentala khat af sngi bat Sha Chairman ka senjuk kirang basnong ka Riboy District uba BB Makado.
Just today afternoon, the Senjuk of Rang Bashnong from Riboy came to meet us in the chamber of our Deputy Chief Minister, Prestun Song, in the presence of the Director from the Tourism Department and along with the member from the Senjuk. So in that discussion from the Senjuk, so they have raised their concern regarding the issue with Lumpongdeng, but they are quite firm that they want the project to continue. But their request from the end is, since there are concerns regarding this particular island, so they request the government that to withdraw Lumpongdeng as of now. So after hearing the concern, and then from the government point of view, since from day one we were very clear that in the original agreement that there from the government side we are quite straightforward. We have said from the day one that there will be no construction in Lumpongdeng. It will be purely experiential tourism. So that's why, since today the Senjuk of Rang Bashnong came, which are the direct stakeholder of that area. So that's why we thought, since there are concerns from public, because as you all know that we are always, no doubt whatever it is, because whatever we do, we want public to support, and it is for the beneficial for the public. So that's why we thought that it is best at this point of time that we will withdraw Lumpongdeng from this project. But the original project in the existing building in the Lake, where the Orchid Hotel is there, that project will continue. I appeal to the GTF members are, because like I said from day one, because the main motive of the government by doing this is to bring the employment opportunity for our youth, because as we all know that we are facing the problem of unemployment, and as you all know that we cannot give government job to each and everyone. So that's why government is finding these ways and means to bring this this company, and Taj, as you all know, is a prestigious company not in the country, in the world right now. So that's why we thought that we'll bring, so that our youth will get the employment opportunity. And then we always, and we want to make it sure that the government have no hidden agenda on this. We are very sure, very firm on that. So that's why I will urge the member of the Green Tech Foundation that since we have listened to your demands, and I would request you to please call off this strike. And for the people, for many of the I would say many people will say that okay, government has now have bent down, but I would just like to tell them that government is not bending down. It is listening to the aspiration of the people. That's why otherwise in the past you have seen many government where will use different resort. But we are not that kind of government. We will always go with the sentiment of the people.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ika snong nongi kwa yo sngo bahan ika snong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hina snong iki mat jongki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project ki don menta hang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha kajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that kashulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namar ba ka ka ba phi amnot ngiru hang ni shua ban take up yung project day ban su thu bakla habang warra yaki investment habang warra yaki bakum kini ki project net yang nga opi ka ba khaddu ka jing mantoy kan long yangi ki kon samna.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.